here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. We stay here forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you die. Do you know I'm looking? Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were
and welcome on
too
board.
deep.
Please direct your attention to the monitors and cabin crew for important safety information regarding our Boeing 747 aircraft. There is a safety information card located in your seat cover that illustrates the safety equipment on this aircraft. Please follow along as we demonstrate. Federal aviation regulations require compliance with all crew instructions, lighted information signs, and posted placards. Fasten your seatbelt by inserting the flat metal end into the buckle. Pull on the loose end of the strap to tighten. Lift up on the top plate of the buckle to release the seatbelt. Please keep your seatbelt fastened low and tight across your lap and visible to the cabin crew at all times when you are seated, and whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated. This Boeing 747 has 12 emergency exits. The main cabin has 5 exit doors on each side. The upper deck has 2 exits. As we point out the exits, please locate the exit nearest your seat. The nearest exit may be behind you. Each door is equipped with an escape slide which will inflate automatically when opened. The cabin is pressurized for your comfort. If there is a loss of cabin pressure, a panel above your seat will open and oxygen masks will appear. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and hold the mask firmly to start the flow of oxygen. Cover your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Place your elastic band over your head and tighten by pulling on both ends. Secure your own mask before assisting others. Oxygen will be flowing with the mask even though the bag may not inflate. A crew member will let you know when the mask is no longer needed. In the event of a water evacuation, the 4 doors located in the forward section of the aircraft and the 4 rear doors are equipped with slide racks, which can be detached and used as flotation devices. The 2 doors located over the wings, upper deck doors, are not to be used in a water evacuation. For detailed instructions, refer to the safety information card. A life vest can be found in the compartment under, in between, or on the side of your seat. Remove the pouch from the compartment. Open the pouch by pulling on the tear strip. Unfold the vest and place it over your head. Bring the strap around your waist and snap the end into the clip on the front of the vest. Tighten the strap by pulling on the loose end. Inflate your vest after you leave the aircraft by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or by blowing into the tube located on the side of the vest. A locator light is attached. Activation will occur on contact with water. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is not permitted on the aircraft at any time, including the lavatory. Federal aviation regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. In preparation for takeoff, ensure all carry-on luggage is properly stowed.
the sun go down over the same old town. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, if you stay. I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm something, you love it. Come on, give me something.